Kendall County, northern Comal County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blanco, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and wind gusts to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wimberley, Blanco, Canyon Lake, Johnson City, Bluegrass, Guadalupe River State Park, Fisher, Rocky Creek, Spring Branch, Twin Sisters, Henley, Peyton and Honey Creek State Natural Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Enlisted. NOAA.
This is NOAA, Weather Radio, Station W.
Wow, that was an ES from the Weather Service office in New Braunfels. This is Diego Alvarez, EAS Ducey, signing off.